welcome to this video presentation. In this particular video is a tutorial, and we are going to be looking at a complete guide tutorial on how to make 30 to 120k as an MTN corporate data gifting vendor in Nigeria in 2022. Okay, so you're welcome to the channel. This is Mr. Chiriak on the channel, and this is Legit Car Business TV, a place where we teach you ethical online and information marketing business in the world. So in this video we are going to be looking at how can any person in Nigeria do this MTN corporate data gifting and make so much money in the process. Now, this business you can do as a student, you can do it as a youth, you can do it as a banker, you can do it as a lawyer, or even a medical doctor. Okay, so now we are going to be looking at MTN corporate data gifting in proper. Okay, what is MTN corporate data gifting? It's one of the hot and lucrative products in the market right now. Okay, in fact, a lot of Nigerians out there are making a killing selling this product. In this training, we are going to be looking at how you can become a vendor and make a killing selling this product. So that's exactly the main thing and the most focused thing in this training. Okay, now setting up your sale margin is the first thing we are going to be looking at in this training. We need to learn how to set our sale margin so that we can define our profit from day one. Are you with me now? So in this place, currently MTN data gifting on instant mobile is sold per 1 gig is sold for 260. Are you getting it now? At the time of doing this presentation, so you can get it at a rate of 260. Okay, the time you are watching this, it may be high or low. Okay, now we are going to be using this to set up our sale margin. Are you getting it now? Okay, since instant mobile ng is selling to you at rate of 260, you can set up your sale rate to be something like 280. Are you getting it now? So making a profit of 20 naira per 1 gig of MTN corporate data gifting you sell. Now below table shows you exactly how much you are going to be making based on volume of sales. Remember, this business depends on volume of sales. Okay, so you need to learn that the volume of sales determines the money you make in this business. So look at the table here now. You can see it here. You have the serial number is the you have the first one to the last one, which is 7-1. So the quantity of sales here in the first one is 10 gig worth of corporate data gifting. Every day you're selling 10 gig worth of it. Your trade capital for each day is going to be 2,600. Are you with me now? Now average daily profit is going to be 20 naira times by the quantity of SME you are selling, corporate data you are selling, which is now 200 naira daily. Then in an average monthly, that's if you save for the next 30 days, you're going to be making 6,000 naira if you are retaining just to sell 10 gig of corporate data gifting every day. Now, but if you scale up the business a little bit, which I'm going to be showing you in this video, by selling 25 gig worth of corporate gifting every day, that means your capital for each day is going to be 6,500. Are you with me now? Now if you multiply 20 naira, which is your profit margin you are going to set, are you getting it now? You are going to get roughly 500 naira every day for retailing this product. Now if you are getting 500 naira every day for retailing this product, in 30 days you are going to be making 500 times by 30, which is 15k. That's the second phase. That's if you fall in the second phase of this presentation as a vendor. So that's what they're going to be making. Now the third one is 50 gig worth of corporate data gifting. That means you require 13,000 naira as a trading capital Now if you multiply it by 20, that's 20 naira is a profit per gig. Multiply it by 50, that place is supposed to be 50. Okay, you are going to be getting, oh, there is a mistake somehow in that line, which is the number 3. But if you multiply 50 times by 20, it's going to be 1000, and then 1000 times by 30 is going to be 30k. So in the 50 gig we are going to make it 30k. Are you getting it now? For retailing 50 gig corporate worth of gifting every day, and you have a trading capital of 13,000. Okay, now the fourth one there is 100 gig worth of corporate gifting. You are going to be needing 26,000. Are you getting it now, as a trading capital? Now the average daily profit is going to be 20 naira times by 100, which is going to be 2,000 naira every day. And then if you multiply 2,000 times by 30, you're going to be making 60,000 naira every month. That it falls in the category of 4. Okay, the fifth one is 120 gig worth of corporate data gifting. You need a capital of 31,200. Then if you multiply that, which is 20 naira times by 120 worth of corporate data gifting, which you are selling daily, you are going to be getting roughly 2,400 every day. Now 2,400 times by 30, you're going to be making 72,000. Are you getting it now? So you are going to be making 72,000 naira every month, and in every day you're going to be making 2,400 if you are retailing 120 gig worth of corporate data gifting. Okay, now the second one, which is the sixth one, is 150 gig worth of corporate data gifting. That means you need 39,000 naira as a trading capital, and then here you are going to be making 20 naira times 150, which is roughly 3,000 daily, and then in a month you are going to be making 90,000 naira every blessed month for just selling this product. The last one, which is the seventh one, is 20 gig 200 worth of corporate gift, 200 gig worth of corporate gifting. So you need 52,000 naira for you to be able to sell this product, and if you are done setting your margin at 20 naira per gig for profit, you are going to be making 4,000 naira every day, and then in a month time you're going to be making 120k, which is our ultimate vendor projection for a beginner. So now this may sound as a rocket science for you, but I'm going to be showing you in the next phase of it how this thing is going to be possible. Okay, don't skip this video, because this is actually going to help you, so help someone else there. If you are getting value of this video, please like, share and comment, okay, that I'm getting value, and then I need more video like this. Okay, comment right away, and of course share this video, and of course don't skip it, because this video may help you in the long run. Okay, now as you can see from our chart above, that you start making real money when you fall in 4 to 7 vendor category. Are you getting it now? Now it is up to you how much margin you are to set up for yourself to start making real profit. But based on as in statistics, keep it at that 20 naira or even 15 naira or 10 naira. Okay, that's adding it to be 280, or some people even say 340. Okay, some vendors say 340, some say 300, but keep it at 280. Okay, that 280 will help a lot. You know why? Because it will make you that you are able to stay in the market for a long time. Now how to start selling is very simple. This section of how to sell is divided into 3 parts. Each part you follow will still arrive at making the above stated amount, but it depends on the one that you think will work well for you. Okay, now the first and foremost is part 1. Okay, you are selling directly. You sell yourself, as you are the one that is doing the selling. You can decide to sell MTN corporate data gifting as a vendor. All you need to do is to sign up for a free account by going to instamobile.com.ng/client area. Okay, The description will be on this video, and then create a free video vendor account and start selling to people around you. That's the first options. Okay, now the second option is what? Selling using sales funnel. Okay, we have been talking about sales funnel in some of there's a video that was released. We're going to be leaving it in the description of this video. We talk about sales funnel. Okay, now this is a new and modern program that was launched. Okay, another platform that will wire you. Okay, so in this sales funnel, we are teaching you how to build a sales funnel. In fact, you are going to get a sales funnel from the company directly. Okay, now this is the part that makes you real money on autopilot, and here is how to sell using sales funnel. First step is that you learn what is a sales funnel. Are you getting it now? You first of all learn it and how you can use it for your data reseller business. This training is a paid training, and it costs 7,000 naira for you to get trained on this. Okay, but you can enroll now to get a 50% discount offer. So instead of paying 7,000, you will pay 3,500 to get training on how to sell your corporate data gifting products faster as a vendor using a sales funnel. So are you going to take this offer, or you want to sell with your power? It depends on you. I'm going to give you the power of choice making. Okay, now this training lasts for 24 hours, so it's not going to be like boring training, so you can get started right away. To get this special training and 50% off discount to the training, visit dailyincomelead.com/sp/osp. okay, a description will be on the link on the video, on this video, so that you can take a look at it right away. Okay, now the step 2 is to set up your sales funnel store. Okay, using the community that allows you to sell anything without banding you at all, and then that community is called Social Hub. And then you connect your sales funnel to this, so as into this store, so that your user can sign up and buy from you. Now if you don't know how to do this, kindly contact us on 081-30-37-446 after you must have gone through the sales funnel training and finish setting up your sales funnel. So once you have gone to get these 2 things, which is first of all, you enroll in the training by paying 3,500, and of course after it get your sales funnel from the platform, and then you contact us, say, oh, I've gotten the training, I've finished the training, I've gotten my sales funnel, how do I get my store on Social Hub, how do I set it up? We're able to help you to set it up for free without actually paying anything at all. So that is that on setting up your store. The part 3 form of selling is free, but it needed work in this part. Okay, now that is sell via referral. Okay, you can also sell corporate data gifting via referral. Okay, what you have to do here is to sign up for a free account on instantmobile.com.ng/client area and grab your referral link from your vendor account. There's a video that talks about this on our channel. We just posted it at us not quite long ago, so go through it on how you can actually get your referral link on your vendor account. So go through the video so that you're able to understand how to get your referral link. So, and once you get your referral link, you start sharing it to people to join your network, and also advise or encourage your referrals to buy and sell corporate data gifting by teaching them this format. What is that format? This thing you are learning from this presentation, this training. You have to teach them to how to set their margin, how to be able to sell, how to get their sales funnel so that they can sell faster, and of course anything that makes them to sell, you have to be teaching them, mentor them. Have a group in WhatsApp, have it in social hubs, have it in Facebook, have it in Instagram, have it in Twitter, to mentor your followers. That way they can be able to be buying and selling at the same time. Okay, now as you are doing it, you will be making passive income for them doing the vending. Okay, now you can make an instant commission of 0.5 to 1.5% per purchase. That be it data, be it cable subscription, be it corporate gifting or even SME. Okay, though this method is free, I mean, you do not use your capital to trade the business, but you use other people's efforts. Okay, when they are buying, you are making money from their sales, because system will be paying instant commissions, little amount based on the sale volume and quantity. You require a sale funnel if you want to profit using this method. Are you getting it? Now you need a sale funnel to get massive number of people to sign up under you. Use this second option of selling to get your sales funnel up and running and start making passive income as referral. Are you getting it now? So what we are trying to say here is that you need to get your sales funnel to make this third part work for you. Okay, getting your sales funnel is very easy. Go to dailyincomeneed.com.ng/sp/OSP. Okay, the link will be on the description of this video. Sign up and get your sales funnel. First of all, get trained to know what is sales funnel, what is affiliate marketing, what is so many avenues to sell, what is the formula of selling. You get all this knowledge, and then of course you get your sales funnel, and then you start your market. All these things can be happen within the within the next 24 to 48 hours. You are done with your training, your sales funnel is ready, and you are in for business. Okay, now for your inquiries, kindly contact us on WhatsApp. We are there 24 hours, 081 36 and of course please subscribe, like and share this video, and turn up the bell notification so that whenever a video like this is released, you first to be notified. Okay, pick up the courage by starting this business. This is a data reseller business. Data is life, just like the people always say it as a slogan. For you to view this video to the end, to this limit, is because you subscribe for data. So pick up the format that was shown on this tutorial, and of course get yourself funnel and get trained to have a massive outreach of customers and clients that you are going to be delivering these products daily, and of course you see yourself making a lot of money. Okay, so get started guys. This is real and legit. We don't teach you something that is not working. It's something that is working that we will always be teaching you. So like, share, comment to this video that I need this kind of video, so that we can be making more tutorials showing you ways to make legit money on the net, only on Legit Card Business TV. Thanks and God bless. Remember my quote, see you at the top. I don't want to see at the bottom because I don't like being at the bottom. Thanks and God bless. Bye for now.